Well, boys, it's a chilly one out there today. A little bit of windy, you know, but we have a big difference from the other day. There is snow everywhere. We got like probably about a foot of snow out there already. I just started this morning too, and it's noontime now, so we're doing pretty good. If I do say so myself. I wish I had a snowmobile. That would be pretty great, because then we could actually have some real fun. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and rip the old RMZ. See how it works. I mean, might as well. Got nothing better to do. If I get hurt, then at least if I fall, I'm falling on powder. So it shouldn't be that bad in reality. Yeah, I guess we're gonna try it. See how it goes. If I die, I die. And it was nice knowing you. But let's get the bike warmed up. Throw on the GoPro. And we'll try it that way. We'll see how that works. That is probably the most tiring thing I've done in a long time. There's a lot of snow out there. It's definitely over a foot now. And trying to rip a dirt bike through it is tough. But top end didn't blow, so that's good. I guess we're good so far. Definitely need to adjust the clutch, because it is pretty tough and I don't like it. But we're gonna have to wait for all the snow to melt first, because it's not that fun. My brother's trying to get his quad out right now, but it's two-wheel drive, so it might be a little bit tougher too. Who knows? But that's all I'm gonna have for today, I guess. You know, we'll take it. I gotta work tomorrow, and I'm going snowboarding. So maybe we'll throw a snowboarding video up. Whatever. See how it goes. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and well, hope I held the camera right. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Remember to press the subscribe button, like the video, and we'll have a lot more fun, cool stuff to come soon enough.